Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 server disconnected. So the first thing that you need to do here, you need to go to support.activision.com and then you need to sort it out by Warzone, and you need to make sure that servers is online and fully working, and if it's not, you just need to wait. You can't do much about it, but if it's working, then probably the problem is on your end. And to fix that, first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt as a administrator and press yes. And then here you just need to write ipconfig space / flush DNS and ipconfig, not inconfig, flush DNS. And then you will get this message, and after that you need to write finish winsock reset, and after you do so, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here is to go to the system tray. On the bottom right corner you should see internet and network access. Right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings and reset network. But keep in mind that if you're using internet, don't worry about it. You don't need to do nothing. But if you're using Wi-Fi, basically it will reset all your Wi-Fi settings. This means you need to re-log into your Wi-Fi again with your password. So you need to know your password before that. So keep in mind that. And after that, when you reset the network and if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go back on network and internet settings, go to advanced network settings, go to more adapter options here, and then you need to right click onto your internet, go to properties, and make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on internet protocol version 4. And then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4, and the problem should be fixed if the Activision servers is working, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.